Namaste and welcome to Nikki's Toolkit. I am Nikki and you have joined me in the energetic space, the energetic place where we share time, we share thoughts, we share ideas on living a wholesome, nourishing and supportive life. It is always such a pleasure to share time and space with you. Let the water settle. You will see the moon and the stars mirrored in your being. This is a quote from Rumi, and for those who have shared time and space with me in this energetic place before, I have shared how much I value and how much I enjoy the work of Rumi. And so today I want to talk about the catalyst of stillness in our lives. And I use those words deliberately because a lot of the times we fall into the trap of thinking that non-movement is an inactive process. And we only have to look at nature to understand that stillness is also part of what supports thriving. Life is all about balance. And so for us to truly live our lives in a wholesome, nourishing and supportive way, it is important for us to know when, where, and what kind of movement or agitation to engage in. And equally so, know when, where, and how to be still in everything that we do. A lot of the times we miss the opportunity to move into our greatness. And as Rumi says, if you are going to be seeing the moon and the stars, that is a clear demonstration of you having the opportunity to realize our greatness. And it's what's mirrored in our being. It's already within us. We only have to stop piling on layers on it. We have to live in a space that is more honest with ourselves and with others around us to be able to realize it, to honor it and celebrate it. And that's what I want to invite everybody to do within earshot of my voice. Take the time today, take the time now to be still. Step back a little bit from all the movement and the agitation that's within your space, that is surrounding you, that you have either consciously or unconsciously plugged into by virtue of everything that is happening in and around us in the world today. We often end up getting plugged into so many things because of technology. People end up with a lot of anxiety because you're realizing occurrences that are happening not just outside of your door but anywhere else. People get to a state of dis-ease with all the activity, and we live in a space where there's a school of thought that dismisses stillness as being a waste of time, not recognizing that we put ourselves into dis-ease when we spend too much of our time in agitation and movement, not recognizing how essential stillness is to balance everything that we are. If we look at our lives like a pond or even the ocean, and we're looking at the treasure that our life is, it is highly unlikely for us to be able to see where the treasure is, for us to be able to access and tap into it. If we're constantly agitating the water, our visibility will be poor, or clarity will not be there. We will have no clue as to which direction to go. And we will spend a lot of our time fumbling around, trying to find something that oftentimes is right below our nose, or in this case, oftentimes is always, always, always within us. So I want to take the opportunity now, I want to take the opportunity today to invite you to join me in recognizing the catalyst that is stillness. Having recognized it, I'm going to encourage you to take a moment, take some time. You are so worth it. Invest in yourself. Let the water settle. You will see the moon and the stars mirrored in your being. So whatever the situation is that you are involved in, whatever is causing you confusion, whatever is causing you sleepless nights, step back a little bit, because your vision might be blurry and blurred. And with that, you're not going to be able to see clearly as to what it is you're either involved in, engaged in, or the direction that you're going or not going. So thank you for choosing to share time and space with me today. And I wish for you a day of balance, which includes stillness. May you find the clarity that you seek. May you find the clarity that is necessary for living a wholesome, nourishing, and supportive life. And may you also facilitate stillness for all beings that you share time and space with. Thank you for choosing to share time and space with me. It is always, always such a pleasure. Namaste.